Okay, good morning. We have lots of catching up to do, and let me see. We have 579 subscribers. I wanted to show you this, and 87,277. This is the views count. Did some work yesterday. It's early in the morning now. Let's see what has transpired over the evening. Boy, it's going to take a while to catch up, I think. This is where we're at now, Premier Wealth Builders. Do a refresh, and it's 87,677. Okay. Talk to you soon. See how things move up the line. Premier Wealth Builders, come visit.